Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
I use heat tools almost every day, and if you're like me, then you must have noticed how dull your hair gets and how rough it feels. Using heat tools every day can cause a lot of damage, breakage and split ends. And if you have naturally curly hair, you might even notice your hair losing its natural structure. But don't panic, there are ways to get your hair back on track and feeling good. Your hair is prone to snapping and breaking right after a hair wash. Instead of rubbing it with a towel, wrap it up in a cotton tee. Since the tee is thin, it absorbs the moisture in a few minutes and helps protect against further split ends and breakage. Heat some olive oil and then allow it to cool down to room temperature. Apply it to clean air-dried hair. Tuck your hair under a shower cap, then wrap a hot towel around it. Wait for an hour, then rinse the oil out with cold water. Use shampoo to remove any residue. You can do this 1 to 3 times in a month. Make sure you use enough oil to soak in your hair completely. And if you want deep conditioning, then leave the oil on overnight. When choosing a hair mask, look for ones that have restorative moisturizing ingredients such as olive oil, keratin, protein or shea butter, and avoid products that contain silicones or parabens. Apply the mask twice a week and leave it on for a full hour. Use a plastic shower cap to help the product seep in further. You can also use the mask once a week in the shower after shampooing. Leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes for quick hydration and then rinse it out. Trimming your hair every few weeks might sound like high maintenance, but it can actually help you get rid of your split ends and make it easier to style your hair. If you usually wear your hair in a ponytail, take it out for a few hours a day to give your hair a break. Also, try not to pull hair back too tightly. And never sleep with any sort of accessories in your hair. Just follow this routine and your hair will feel so much better. If you still find significant damage, then you can always go for a spa session to the salon or visit a trichologist. For any other questions that you might have, you can ask me those in the comment section below. Also, if you were wondering where my cute slogan tee was from, then let me tell you it's from the POPxo shop. And not just the tee, you can find amazing mugs, cushion covers, laptop sleeves and whatnot. So make sure you click on the link in the description box below and go crazy shopping. And for more hair care tips and tricks, don't forget to tune into POPxo Beauty. Bye!